Looking to maximize your Ford storage and take your adventures to the next level? Let's talk about some top-notch Ford genuine accessories. First up, the Folding Hitch Mounted Basket. It's perfect for hauling extra gear while keeping your cargo accessible and secure. Need even more space? Check out the Yakima rack-mounted medium cargo basket for a rugged, versatile solution. Love biking? The Thule hitch-mounted tilting bike carrier makes loading and unloading your bikes a breeze. Plus, it tilts down for easy access to your trunk, no matter how many bikes you've got. For truck owners, the Yakima medium profile bed rack gives you even more options for carrying gear like kayaks, bikes, and roof boxes without sacrificing your bed space. Speaking of kayaks, the Thule rack-mounted folding kayak carrier is a game changer. Easily load your kayak and hit the water faster with this space-saving rack. And don't forget the Yakima rack-mounted lockable cargo box, a secure weather-resistant solution to store your valuables when you're on the go. Maximize your Ford's storage, get ready for your next adventure, and make the most out of every trip. Check out these Ford genuine accessories today.